Well, good morning to you out there. This is Coach P, Jim Pusateri. Today's words of encouragement, quick question for you. Are you winning or losing? Do you know? Is it the first quarter, the second quarter, the fourth quarter? Are we in overtime? Do we have any record? Do we know how close we are? See, are we winning or losing, folks? Most of us don't really know because we haven't become goal setters. We haven't written down everything that we want to achieve in this world. We haven't put a date on it when we like to achieve it and break it into action steps. You see, that's the blueprint for your life, the written plan of action that's going to tell you exactly where you're at in your life. So you can make and answer that question. Am I winning or am I losing? Thank you for listening to these words of encouragement, and be sure to listen to our complete podcast, Mental Toughness by Coach P. You can get it every Wednesday by hitting that link provided or wherever you download. Have a great day.